How to fix data not working on iPhone. If you're experiencing issues with data not working on your iPhone, then here are several steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the problem. The first things first, you'll need to check your cellular data and airplane mode. Go and open up settings from your iPhone, and from the settings menu, tap on mobile data. Make sure that the toggle button right next to mobile data is turned on. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then on again to refresh the connection. Also ensure that the airplane mode is turned off. Now, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or issues. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Now, slide the power option to turn off your iPhone, and then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Once you reboot your system, the next thing to do is to check for your iOS update. Open up Settings app again, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on the Software Update button from the top of the screen and check for available software updates. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install and follow the prompts. Once you update your software, it often includes bug fixes and improvements that can help resolve connectivity issues. Now that you've updated your iOS device, the next thing you can do is to check for data roaming. Open up Settings app again, and from the Settings menu, tap on Mobile Data. Tap on Mobile Data option and toggle off the button right next to data roaming. Toggle it on back again. And then, if you are in an area with poor cellular coverage, you might be able to fix the issue by enabling the data roaming to use data from other carriers. However, you must be cautious about potential roaming charges. If the problem still doesn't fix, then you can always contact your carrier. There might be a network issue with your carrier, so if you contact your carrier's customer support, you can inquire about any network outages or specific settings they may have recommended for your device. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to work with data on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another video like this. Goodbye till then.